Would you like to add probiotics to your kombucha? It's a great idea, especially if you have them, or you can do it pretty inexpensively. Not only that, it should increase the amount of probiotics because whatever you add, when you add it to the ferment, it should grow those probiotics and increase the amount of that probiotic. So basically, you can also grow probiotics and really basically double your money. So anyway, all you need to do is if you have your first ferment of kombucha, you either add your fruit and then add some kind of probiotic, or you can just do this and buy a probiotic fruit drink and add that. Now, I like to do the real fruit because if you've seen my other videos, it ferments faster. It's so tasty, it's so good, and it's the real deal. There's a couple things. I think there's natural flavors in this, which, you want to stay away from, but, you get what you can get. And I wanted the probiotics. I wanted to grow the probiotics, and I actually didn't have any probiotics at the time. These are actually empty bottles that I'm using as a prop. So anyway, you could do your first ferment and you add this as the juice, or you do your fruit and add a little bit of the juice, or do the fruit and then add a little bit of probiotic, and it'll grow the probiotics and make your kombucha even healthier. Imagine that. That's awesome. In the next video, I'll show the benefits of adding any of these. God bless and Godspeed healing to all.